In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clipping mask in Photoshop 2026 using the fastest shortcut possible. Clipping masks are incredibly powerful when it comes to placing images inside text, shapes, or custom designs. And once you learn this quick method, you'll be able to do it in seconds. Whether you're designing thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, or professional layouts, this is a must-know Photoshop skill. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the shortcut that makes everything instant. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photoshop 2026. You can start with a new document or use an existing design. It really doesn't matter, as long as you have your Layers panel visible. If you don't see the Layers panel, go up to the top menu, click on Window, and make sure Layers is checked. Everything we're doing today will happen inside this panel. Now, we need two layers. The bottom layer will be the shape or the text that acts as the container. This is what your image will clip into. So go ahead and either create a shape using the Shape tool or select the Type tool and type out some text. You'll see that appear as its own layer in the Layers panel. Next, create or place your image on a new layer above that shape or text. You can do this by going to File, then Place Embedded, and choosing your image. Or you can simply drag and drop an image directly into Photoshop. The key thing here is making sure that your image layer is positioned above the shape or text layer in the Layers panel. If it's not above, just click and drag it so it sits on top. Now here comes the fastest way to create the clipping mask. Select the top layer, which should be your image layer. Once it's selected, use the keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Alt-Ctrl-G. If you're on a Mac, press Option-Command-G. As soon as you press that shortcut, you'll notice the image instantly clips into the shape or text below. In the Layers panel, the image layer will indent slightly and show a small downward arrow, indicating that it's now clipped. And that's it. Your image is now perfectly masked inside the layer beneath it. The best part about using a clipping mask, instead of erasing or rasterizing, is that everything stays fully editable. You can still move the image around by selecting the image layer and using the Move tool. This allows you to reposition or scale the image inside the shape without affecting the container itself. If you want to resize the image, press Ctrl-T on Windows or Command-T on Mac to open Free Transform, then adjust it as needed. If you ever want to release the clipping mask, simply use the same shortcut again. Press Alt-Ctrl-G on Windows or Option-Command-G on Mac, and it will unclip instantly. You can also right-click the layer and choose Release Clipping Mask from the menu. Clipping masks are especially useful for text effects, image and text designs, mock-ups, and creative compositions. Instead of complicated masking techniques, this shortcut gives you a clean, non-destructive workflow that professionals use every day. So just to quickly recap, create your bottom layer with text or a shape, place your image on a layer above it, select the image layer, and press Alt-Ctrl-G on Windows or Option-Command-G on Mac. That's the fastest way to create a clipping mask in Photoshop 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.